Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2420. Today's date is 22 November 2021. वाजले आता रात्रीचे 9:30. So, what is happened today? So today I wake up at 7 a.m. and soon as I wake up, I went to my laptop and tried to look for how much downloaded done. So yesterday, like last night, I downloaded almost like a 19 GB, which is really good. Yeah, I let my laptop as like a power saving mode. I didn't really put my laptop on charging whole night. Why? Because of that key. Maybe like if I am doing this thing like while charging, it will be something like that key. It will be a little bit of damage my laptop. Okay, this is my consideration. It will not damage my laptop, yes, because right now the laptop is made according to the charging which is always be on. It will not affect to the laptop. Okay, but this is like this is my thinking is that if I let my laptop on charging the whole night, then my battery will be became literally fugun zail. Okay, fugun zail means like that ki, yeah, it's just like did you understand? That is what I need. That's it, khatam. So uh, that's why, but still I am really happy with that. Like a 20 GB is really good, like it's really great. Okay, so yes, then after that I already upload my almost like a 5 videos. Like yesterday I upload 5 videos and today I will also upload 5 videos. Like every day I'm uploading almost like a 5 videos, five max, like 5 or 6 videos. Okay, every day. Okay, but actually it will be on schedule. Like it those video will be published to the public for each day. Okay, I will not uploading almost like a 5 videos in a day. No, it's just like it will be published in a particular period of time. So it's really good, it's really great. It will be giving me giving my channel is a little bit of breathing space. Okay, so if I upload a video on this day, it will be take 24 hours to upload next video. So good. All right, so what happened next? So actually my initial plan was today is that key I need to write a script because it's really important. Okay, I'm working on my project. Which project? Career project. Okay, and I'm while I was writing the script, uh, I didn't really know today is Shraddha. Okay, and what is the word for what is Shraddha? Shraddha is like the person who die, and the next year, the specific date that person will die, that day will be celebrated. It's not celebrate actually, but it's kind of like a little bit of gathering of the people. Okay, it should not call as a celebration. No, Shraddha should not count into the celebration. It's kind of like a people who are being really close to that person who die at that who die this person and last year on that particular day. So that is called Shraddha. Okay, and actually my Moti Ai. So what is Moti Ai? Moti Ai means like the this is my mother and mother's big sister called Muthi Ai. Okay, mother's small sister called Maushi, big sister called Muthi Ai. Okay, I know this is like a really stupid words. Just bear me. I don't really know what is the word for Maushi. Like in English, there is a one word for aunt, and aunt, yeah, auntie, and I'm a bit really confused क्योंकि हिंदी कल्चर में बुआ मौसी खाला देन खाला इज लाइक अ मुस्लिम वर्ड बुआ मौसी दीदी बहुत सारे शब्द है हर चीज़ के लिए लाइक आई एम रियली बैड एट रिलेशंस so I didn't really know about properly, like I didn't really know what is the husband of, like if I have a maushi, and her husband, what is the name? uh, Name means like the, what should you call him? I'm calling Mama Ji. Okay, am I correct? Mama Ji na ki I'm just I didn't really know. I'm not really sure. Is this Mama Ji or is this something really another word? I'm just saying Mama Ji. Okay, khatam. Okay. Uh, so blood relation, all those things. Like if you know better, so you do understand. Let me just stay away from it. All right. So what I'm trying to tell you is that so my मोठी आईचं श्राद्ध. Okay, this is Marathi word. Okay, मोठी आई means mother's big sister, called मोठी आई, and श्राद्ध means the already I mentioned. Okay, just like don't let me tell you all those things again and again. Fuck up. Okay, so this is श्राद्ध. Okay, so fuck यार, point भूल गया मैं. हाँ, so I have to go there. Okay, and like I didn't really wanted to go there, but unfortunately this is actually a family function and I couldn't ignore that thing, so I went there. So when I came home at almost like a 2:30. I came home at almost like a 2:30 p.m. and I when I came, I just quickly export my videos, like my game videos. Okay, and why after I export, I will let my sleep. Okay, why? Because of that, ki if I wanted to write the script, I need a time which I am literally free at the noon, which is kind of like a very really lazy time, and at that time it's kind of like a very difficult to do creative work, like a writing is very creative work. So it's like I decided that I have to sleep at noon, so I will extend my time at night. Like I have to wake up almost like a 2-3 a.m. and then I will writing my complete my script. So I decided that. So I went to sleep, then I wake up 5 p.m. and soon as I wake up, I went to cycle. I came at 7:30 and I decided that while cycling, I was constantly thinking about the Harihar Fort and what should I write. I was thinking like that. Okay. And then I decided that why don't you record yourself as a trial trial test means like that this is the first time I'm facing the camera. Actually I already faced, don't just say first time. Okay, but actually I have a little bit of hesitation of facing the camera. Okay, still, so no, you are not, you don't have any hesitations. Like right now I am talking very comfortably in this artifact episode. Why? Because of that I know this recording will be not published to the internet, or will be not published to the, it will be not listened to the anyone. So I'm just recording to my future, so I don't really worry about that कि भाई किसी ने पढ़ लिया, किसी ने देख लिया, किसी ने सुन लिया, तो what the person will think about me or not. So it's kind of like a really that so I don't really feel that. So I am very much free in the artifact episode. But in the YouTube video is something really different. Like a YouTube video, you are always be thinking like that कि there are almost like thousands of people watch this video, so you have to be talk very much something really good. Okay, you should not talk something really hurtful to them and hurtful to some sort of person. No, it's like so that mindset is always be with you while recording your video. But today, like while I was testing like a trial run, at the beginning it was very much hesitation. Yeah, it's like very much like what should I talk? And it's like it's very much difficult to talk. But I started from the beginning. Okay, I was like constantly telling, constantly. I didn't really skip it. Okay, I just wanted to talk and I just talk. I just wanted to talk. And after some sort of time, like it took me almost like a 20 minutes to be comfortable. And after 20 minutes, I am like on the floor, dude. भाई किस तरह से मैंने जिस तरह से चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन किया ना, it was like something really amazing. Like it should not be count in, like it should not be written in the script because this is the word. Okay, and word is actually little bit of his, like a what is a, like a, आप जब किसी व्यक्ति से या किसी पर्सन से बात करते हो तो यू शुड नॉट टॉक लाइक वेरी काइंड ऑफ लाइक रियली स्पेसिफिक वर्ड, लाइक मैंने आपको प्रेरित कर दिया या ऑल दोस थिंग्स. इट्स लाइक who use prerit word yaar? I don't know, it's just like if you are emailing to someone else then yeah obviously you are typing that ki you have to कि आपने मुझे प्रेरित किया, all those things. Okay. But भाई just like I just wanted to be let my tell my emotions to the camera, to the people. Okay, and those people are live people, so just let them flow, let them me talking properly as a person to person, and that's it, that's what I want. So I just talk and I am in the flow and I am talking. Yeah, I ditch little bit of time, I just ditch, like there are so many mistakes I did, but I am not really worried about that because that mistakes I turn into little bit of comedy, little bit of but really interesting, and it's good, it's really great. So there is a one thing I decide that you don't really need a script. What are you saying? Like a script is a foundation, na? So yeah, yes, script is a foundation, but let me tell you one thing is that ki you just need to like a, what is actors do? Okay, like a, what is the, like basically what I'm trying to do कि राइटर जब स्टोरी या स्क्रिप्ट लिखता है, ओके, तब वो उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोच के लिखता है, यानी लाइक उस कैरेक्टर उस वक्त क्या सोच रहा है और उस सोचने के बाद वो किस तरह से फील कर रहा है और फील करने के बाद वो किस तरह से चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन या किस तरह से उसके बिहेवियर में या उसके डायलॉग्स में चेंज आते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें ना एक राइटर अपने दिमाग में सोचता है और उस चीज़ को या उस शब्द को या उस फीलिंग को पेपर या स्क्रिप्ट में लिख देता है. ओके, दैट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग. ओके, जब एक्टर उस चीज़ को यानी उस स्क्रिप्ट को परफॉर्म करता है तो व्हाट इज़ हैपन लाइक कि बिफोर बिफोर प्रोडक्शन, बिफोर लाइक एक्टर शूटिंग के पहले एक्टर उस चीज़ को रिहर्सल करता है. एंड देर इज़ अ वन थिंग, देर इज़ अ वन गुड थिंग अबाउट द एक्टर इज़ दैट कि एक्टर उस कैरेक्टर को अचीव करने के लिए, यानी कैरेक्टर को पीपल और सेइंग ना कैरेक्टर में घुस गया वगैरह. सो यस, इट्स एक्चुअली हैपन लाइक कुछ लोग, कुछ एक्टर, मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर या मोस्ट ऑफ द, और ये उनकी ट्रेनिंग का एक हिस्सा भी है. ओके, यानी जब भी आप किसी परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हो तो उस परफॉर्मेंस में जो कैरेक्टर वो प्ले कर रहे हैं उस प्ले में आप घुस जाओ, सॉरी उस कैरेक्टर में आप घुस जाओ. जब आप उस कैरेक्टर में घुस जाते हो ना तो आप उस पर्सन या उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में फील करने लगते हो. व्हाट डज इट फील? ओके, और वही फीलिंग आपके दिमाग पे हावी हो जाते हैं. फिर आप खुद की पर्सनालिटी यानी आप जो रियल में बंदे हो वो आप भूल जाते हो, आप वही एक तरह से रिएक्ट करने लगते हो. ओके, और दिस इज़ समथिंग रियली गुड फॉर द फिल्म. ओके, अगर आप ये ओवर बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हो तो इट विल बी रियली डैमेज ऑन योर पर्सनल लाइफ टू. आई सीन सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, like in the Hollywood there is a people like a Christian Bale. Christian Bale is something really different character. Like he is the person who wanted to play his role. he is actually blend into the character. वो कैरेक्टर के साथ इतना जुड़ जाता है ना तो उसकी पर्सनैलिटी आप देख सकते हो. लाइक एक्चुअली इन द बैटमैन ही लुक्स रियली बिग, बोल्ड, एब्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. और उसके बाद जो फिल्म आई उसमें बहुत सुकड़े सुकड़े लग रहे थे. उसके बाद जो फोर्ड वर्सेस फरामी, उसमें भी बिल्कुल शक्ल ही कुछ अलग ही दिख रही थी. ही नेवर लुक्स लाइक समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट, ही लुक्स सम वेरी मच डिफरेंट. ओके, why? Because of that कि actor like a Christian Bale as actor they train themselves to to be in that character, and which is really good, which is really great. Okay, तभी आप उस फील को, उस डायलॉग को बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकली प्रॉपरली एलॉबरेट कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ अ वेरी क्रूशल वे टू डू इट. ओके, क्योंकि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि अगर आप स्क्रिप्ट रट के या उस चीज़ के रटने के बाद उस चीज़ को एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करते हो तो वो कभी वर्क नहीं करता. It's just look like there is some person is reading the script and you are watching that person. It's like fuck up. No one will watch. No one will. It's, let me tell you one thing is that कि why are you listening my video? Why are you listening this Artify episode? Because of that कि I am telling with my hearts, with confidence and with all those things. So that's why you are listening these things. And that is the most important part of it. Dude, क्योंकि मैं pretend नहीं कर रहा, मैं एक्चुअली इसी तरह हूँ और मैं इसी तरह से सोच रहा हूँ और इसी तरह से मैं इस चीज़ को देखता हूँ, समझता हूँ और इसी तरह से मैं एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर कनेक्टेड एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओके, डोंट बी प्रिटेंड. ओके, that is the one thing today one thing I realized that ki if I wanted to be explain things, okay, like this is the Pandav lady and this is the Harihar fort and this is all those things, and I wanted to be explained, you have to blend in with that particular place. like आप उस चीज़ के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से जान लो, पूरा रिसर्च कर लो. रटना नहीं है भाई, रटना तो कतई नहीं है. बस आप उस चीज़ को दिमाग में अंदर तक पूरा सक कर दो, पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. अभी आप उस चीज़ को उस अपने हिसाब से एक्सप्लेन करो सीधा कैमरे के सामने, सीधा कैमरे के सामने. ऑब्वियसली बिगिनिंग में थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन आएगा, लिटिल बिट ऑफ हेजिटेशन. आपको बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं करेगा कि मैं कुछ आगे बोलूँ या वगैरह वगैरह. but you have to let those flow besides and you just talk. कितना भी गंदा हो जाए, कितना भी गलती करो, लेकिन रुकना नहीं है, बस करते रहना है. बस आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10-20 मिनट आप फ्लो में आओगे. ओके, ऑब्वियसली आप लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्लो में आ जाएंगे ना, तो आपके मुंह से जो शब्द है वो अपने आप ही बहुत अच्छी तरह से निकलेंगे. एंड इट इज़ समथिंग रियली गुड. And this is what I feel today, like while I explaining things. Like I didn't really plan that ki this trial run should I include as a main video in this thing. This actually I just like अभी तक मैंने इस वीडियो को देखा नहीं है, so I should not count as a really good. But the way that I talk is something really great, and this is exactly I wanted to be in that video, and this is what I get. And I'm really good with that. If I am not using full video over that main video, I will use little bit of chunk on that video, on that video. So yes, so there is one thing I'll decide that ki whatever I feel, whatever you just need to feel, you just need to absorb all the information over that place, over the thing, and what you feel over there. And you just talk bluntly. बस बात कर दो यार, प्रिटेंड ना कर. डोंट बी प्रिटेंड लाइक टू बी कि तेरे को हिंदी नहीं आती तो हाउ शुड आई बी टॉक. जस्ट लाइक से इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा ना, मेरे को हिंदी प्रॉपरली नहीं आती, एंड जस्ट लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू, एंड जस्ट लाइक पीपल विल कनेक्ट टू यू डूड, एंड दैट इज़ द ओनली वे. दैट्स इट. ओके, अभी पर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अभी आप एडिटिंग करोगे ना, तो वहाँ पे आपको डर लगता है कि शुड आई इंक्लूड दिस थिंग और दिस थिंग. लाइक जस्ट लाइक व्हेन यू just click that upload button, little bit of scared, but yeah. So this is it. This is end. This is what you will do after this artifact episode. I will look the video that I made earlier. Okay, find out like what is a good thing, like if I edit and after this video will be much better, then it's really good, then I will use that video into my main video, and that's it. Okay, and if it is good, then I will start editing from tomorrow. And if it is not good, then I will be record tomorrow at night, same, or maybe this night, like maybe is this didn't really work out, so I will came at night, maybe 1 or 2 a.m, and I will talk. All right. Yeah. So this is the my heart, but I don't really feel that कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं कि basically is that कि while I was talking I explain everything properly, everything, but I don't release like there is also one thing is that कि exposure भी correct था. Just figure it out. Okay, let's just look to the post production. All right, so this is my artifact episode number 2300 2420 right now. We are at Maharashtra. Thank you.